Core samples. Obtaining them is difficult enough. Cutting them shouldn't be. Traditional core cutting using a brick saw or adapted stone cutters is not only dangerous, it's dirty, it's noisy, it's fatiguing, it's exceptionally unsafe. And in some jurisdictions, they've been banned. Thanks to Almonte, there is a safe, non-fatigue way to cut core samples that is CE compliant. This is the Almonte core saw, the world's safest core saw. It's simple to use, reduces operator fatigue, quiet, is exceedingly reliable, and fast becoming the most widely accepted core saw on the planet. Built to survive even in the most extreme environments, the Almonte core saw is strong, sturdy, and easy to assemble. First, ensure the Almonte core cutter is isolated. Connect the core guide to the saw. Align the Almonte water recycling unit. Connecting the water supply is simple and easy. The Almonte water recycling unit, with its built-in buffering chambers, automatically removes dust and chips that can injure operators using old, unsafe technologies. The water level is automatically maintained using this buoyancy valve. Next, connect water to the blade hood. Then select the appropriate blade for your core type. Choose from 5 different types. They range from this yellow blade for soft to medium hardness, this orange blade for medium to hard, green for hard, black for cutting very hard core samples, and silver for cutting extremely hard core samples. There is also an option for silent blades. To fit the blade, simply disengage the locking mechanism of the blade hood and lift the hood. Undo the locking nut and fit the blade, making sure that it's fitted to the correct blade direction. Fit the locking flange in place. Ensure that the secondary locating pin is engaged correctly and tighten the blade in position. Secure the blade hood. Then fit the blade guard. The guard may be raised or lowered depending on blade wear and tear. Your Almonte core saw is now ready to be used. Select the core cutting guide to suit your core samples. Core guides come in standard sizes, from BQ to PQ. Use closed-lid core guides for fractured core samples. Simply locate and position your core sample at the end of the core guide. Open the water valve at the blade hood. Ensure that the water recycling unit is full before operating the core saw. Although the Almonte core saw is reckoned to be the world's safest, it's good practice to wear safety glasses, gloves, and ear protection. Locate the core guide into the tracking slot. Ensure that the safety arm on the blade hood is in the correct position. Release the emergency stop. Allow a 5-second delay, and then reset the overload button. Press Start, then select Forward on the control panel. The core sample moves through the cutting blade automatically and emerges into the core catcher perfectly split. The water self-flushes to the Almonte water recycling unit. Simply remove the split core from the guide and store your core samples. Besides reduced fatigue, a much enhanced productivity, a higher turnover, improved efficiency resulting from its automatic operation and continuous feed, the Almonte core saw is sound dampened, CE compliant and comes with 24-hour support and a 36 months warranty.